All right, well, thank you all. Here we are at Rapid Plus TCT 2019 at Cobo Center in Detroit, Michigan, and we're excited to have a representative from ExOne company with us. Rick Lucas is the CTO at ExOne, and he's going to tell us about some new and exciting things that ExOne is showcasing here at Rapid.
Great, thanks.
Yeah.
So we are highlighting our 25 Pro machine, and one thing that's really nice about this machine, it's built off our Innovent technology, which has advanced compaction technology in combination with precision dosing, and then and we can do that at really fast speeds. So one of the things that we've been able to do with a smaller machine is demonstrate really nice resolution. When you look at resolution, what drives that is layer thickness, your droplet size, and your powder size. We're using standard MEM powders in our machines, and what that enables us to do is, since these are very fine, is to get really nice precision. So you're getting precisions down to 30 micron, and then the 25 Pro is really built off of that technology, but allows us to do that at much larger size.
Okay.
So the build box on that is 400 millimeters by 250 by 250.
Wow.
And so when you look at this part, this is a part that has been printed and then centered. So there is some shrinkage, but when you look at the contrast of this kind of precision quality at scale, this machine allows you to do big parts, or if you wanted, you could do 3,000 or more of these
small parts
in this machine. And so it's really speed, quality is too big. And then the other thing is it allows us to run a lot of different materials.
So you mentioned MEM powders. So why is that important?
Well, when you look at additive, people naturally think expensive.
Right.
And in a lot of cases, some of that's being driven by the cost of the powders. Mm-hmm. The fact that we can take standard industrial MEM powders
that are available
to other industries at large scale, and we can take those powders and put those directly into our machines, there's where you gain a lot of value in terms of cost. So 316 powder, for example, we can get for less than $10 a pound.
Wow.
And if you were to buy that with another additive process, it could be 3 or 4 times that amount.
So building out a cost analysis or the business reasons, the business cases around additive is starting to make more sense with readily available materials in a new machine that can do something at the scale that you're talking about, the 25 Pro.
So you take standard MEM powders, combine that with the binder jetting process, which naturally is just a much faster way to build parts. You get a very economical process, and which is why you'll hear a lot of people talk about binder jetting being the industrial additive process.
Sure.
Because of speed, you can work with standard industrial processes and powders.
That's great. And you've got things to show here at your booth right down the aisle?
We do. We have our small machine there that's actually operating, running. You'll see the 25 Pro machine.
Yeah.
And a lot of sample parts, different materials, and you can see the
tight resolution.
That we can get with this process.
Gorgeous looking part. I know you probably can't see it necessarily on the camera, but this is a fantastic looking part. Make sure you get down to ExOne's booth and check it out. Thanks very much, Rick.
Thank you.
Great seeing you.
You too.
Thanks.